Have you ever opened your refrigerator, stared at the contents, and thought, I should be eating better, but where do I even start? Well, you're not alone. As we age, our nutritional needs change, but nobody gives us an instruction manual on how to adjust our diets. I'm here today to share some game-changing food hacks that will help you revitalize your eating habits and boost your energy at any age beyond 60. Think about it. The foods that sustained us in our 30s and 40s might not be providing everything our bodies need now. Our metabolism changes, our digestive system works differently, and even our taste buds can shift over time. But here's the good news. Making a few strategic changes to your diet can have remarkable effects on your energy, mood, and overall health. In this video, we'll explore simple food hacks that can transform your nutrition without requiring complicated recipes or expensive ingredients. These are practical strategies you can implement right away, even if you're cooking for one or don't consider yourself a kitchen person. The best part? You don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Let's start with perhaps the most overlooked aspect of senior nutrition: proper hydration. Now, I know what you're thinking. Drinking water isn't exactly a food hack. But stay with me here. As we age, our sense of thirst naturally diminishes, which means you might not feel thirsty even when your body desperately needs fluids. Dehydration can masquerade as fatigue, confusion, or even loss of appetite, symptoms many of us mistakenly attribute to just getting older. Here's the hack. Infuse your water with natural flavors to make hydration more appealing. Slice up some cucumber, drop in a few berries, or add a sprig of mint to your water pitcher. Not only does this make plain water more enticing, but these additions provide subtle nutrients and antioxidants. Keep this infused water visible in your refrigerator as a colorful reminder to drink throughout the day. I've found that placing a beautiful glass pitcher front and center in my fridge made all the difference in my own hydration habits. My favorite combination is strawberry and basil in the summer. It's refreshing and feels like a treat rather than a chore. If you're enjoying these tips so far, why not hit that subscribe button? I share new videos every week with practical advice for living your best life after 60. Subscribe now and join our growing community of vibrant seniors who refuse to let age define their lifestyle. Now let's talk about something that might surprise you: the importance of healthy fats in your diet. For decades, many of us were told to avoid fat at all costs. We dutifully purchased fat-free everything and wondered why we still felt hungry all the time. Well, it turns out that certain fats are absolutely essential for brain health, joint function, and even absorbing vital nutrients. The food hack here is to incorporate small amounts of nutrient-dense healthy fats into your meals. A quarter of an avocado on your toast or salad provides creamy satisfaction while delivering potassium and fiber. A tablespoon of olive oil drizzled over your vegetables not only enhances their flavor, but helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. A sprinkle of walnuts or ground flaxseed on your morning oatmeal adds omega-3 fatty acids that support heart and brain health. The key is choosing the right fats and using them thoughtfully. Think of these healthy fats as powerful medicine for your body. A little goes a long way. And unlike the processed foods that dominated grocery shelves in previous decades, these whole food sources of fat come packaged with other nutrients your body craves. One of my favorite simple meals is a slice of whole grain toast topped with mashed avocado, a sprinkle of turmeric, and a soft-boiled egg. It takes just minutes to prepare, keeps me satisfied for hours, and delivers a powerful combination of healthy fats, protein, and anti-inflammatory compounds. It's proof that nutritious eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Let's move on to another game-changing approach: adding color to your plate. As we age, our bodies need more protective antioxidants to fight inflammation and support cellular health. Nature has made this incredibly simple for us by packaging the most powerful antioxidants in brightly colored fruits and vegetables. The simple rule I follow is to include at least 3 different colors on my plate at each meal. This isn't just about making your food look appealing, though that certainly helps. It's about ensuring you're getting a diverse range of nutrients. Red tomatoes provide lycopene, orange sweet potatoes deliver beta-carotene, green spinach offers lutein, and blueberries pack powerful anthocyanins. Each color represents different protective compounds that work together to support your health. Don't worry about memorizing which antioxidant is in which vegetable. Nature has made it simple. Just eat the rainbow regularly and you'll cover your bases. If your plate looks colorful, you're probably doing something right. And if you're looking at a plate of mostly beige or white foods, that's your cue to add a colorful side dish or topping. One hack I love is keeping frozen vegetables and berries on hand at all times. They're just as nutritious as fresh, often more affordable, and they won't spoil if your plans change. A handful of frozen blueberries can brighten up your breakfast, and a cup of frozen mixed vegetables can transform a simple soup or pasta dish into a nutrient-rich meal. Speaking of convenience, let's talk about protein. As we age, our bodies actually need more protein, not less, to maintain muscle mass and support immune function. Yet many seniors find themselves eating less protein for various reasons. Maybe meat becomes harder to chew, cooking for one seems like too much effort, or perhaps you're simply in a recipe rut. Here's a game-changing hack. Embrace plant-based proteins and easy protein add-ins. Greek yogurt contains twice the protein of regular yogurt and can be used in place of sour cream in savory dishes or as a base for fruit parfaits. Canned beans, rinsed to reduce sodium, can be added to soups, salads, or mashed for a simple dip. Even nutrient-dense nut butters can boost your protein intake when spread on apple slices or stirred into oatmeal. I've found that keeping hard-boiled eggs in my refrigerator saves me countless times when I need a quick protein boost. They keep for up to a week, and they're nature's perfect portable snack. 2 eggs provide 12 grams of high-quality protein, along with valuable nutrients for brain health. If you're finding these nutrition tips helpful, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We work hard to bring you practical, science-backed advice that makes healthy living easier at every age. Your support helps us reach more people just like you who want to thrive in their golden years. Now let's address something many of us struggle with: the changing nature of our digestion as we age. If you've noticed that your digestive system isn't quite as forgiving as it once was, you're not imagining things. Our digestive efficiency naturally declines over time, which can lead to uncomfortable bloating, constipation, or heartburn. The solution? Embrace fermented foods. These traditional foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi contain beneficial probiotics that support your gut microbiome, the community of helpful bacteria that aids digestion and helps regulate your immune system. Even a small serving of fermented foods with your meals can make a noticeable difference in how comfortable you feel after eating. Start small if you're new to fermented foods. Perhaps a tablespoon of sauerkraut alongside your sandwich, or a small cup of yogurt with berries for dessert. Your taste buds and your digestive system may need time to adjust, but the benefits are worth the exploration. Another hack for better digestion is to incorporate more herbs and spices into your cooking. Beyond adding flavor without extra sodium, many common spices have digestive benefits. Ginger can ease nausea and reduce inflammation. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Even common cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar and has antimicrobial properties. I keep a small collection of dried herbs and spices within easy reach in my kitchen and challenge myself to use at least one in every meal I prepare. It's an easy way to boost both flavor and nutrition without adding extra calories, sugar, or salt. Try sprinkling cinnamon on your coffee grounds before brewing, adding dried oregano to scrambled eggs, or stirring fresh mint into a glass of iced tea. Let's talk about another challenge many of us face: cooking for 1 or 2 people instead of a full household. After decades of preparing family meals, adjusting to smaller portions can be tricky and sometimes leads to either waste or monotony. Neither serves your nutritional needs well. Here's a hack that has transformed my own cooking routine: the cook once, eat twice approach. When I prepare a meal, I intentionally make extra portions of the components that store well. Roasted vegetables, cooked quinoa or brown rice, and baked chicken can all be repurposed into entirely different meals over the next few days. This strategy saves time and energy while ensuring you have healthy options readily available. For example, roasted sweet potatoes can accompany a protein at dinner one night, then become part of a breakfast bowl with yogurt and nuts the next morning. Leftover cooked salmon can top a salad for lunch, then be mixed with whole grain pasta and vegetables for dinner. This approach reduces waste, saves money, and ensures you're getting a variety of nutrients throughout the week. I've found that investing in quality glass storage containers makes this method even more effective. Being able to see what's in your refrigerator makes you more likely to use those ingredients before they spoil. Plus, glass containers can go directly from refrigerator to microwave without transferring foods, which means fewer dishes to wash. Always a bonus. Another game-changing hack for seniors is to rethink snacking. Many of us grew up thinking of snacks as treats or indulgences, but strategic snacking can actually be an important part of meeting your nutritional needs, especially if your appetite has decreased or you find large meals uncomfortable. Think of snacks as mini nutrition opportunities rather than just gap fillers between meals. A small handful of nuts and a piece of fruit provides protein, healthy fats, fiber, and a range of vitamins and minerals. A few whole grain crackers with hummus delivers complex carbohydrates, plant-based protein, and fiber. Even a cup of vegetable soup can be a nutrient-dense snack that helps keep you hydrated. I keep a designated snack shelf in my refrigerator with prepared options that combine protein and produce. Perhaps cucumber slices and cheese, apple wedges and almond butter, or hard-boiled eggs and cherry tomatoes. Having these ready-to-eat combinations visible when you open the refrigerator door makes it easier to choose nutrient-dense options when hunger strikes. Let's address another common challenge: the changing sensation of taste that often comes with aging or as a side effect of medications. If foods don't taste the way they used to, it's easy to add extra salt or sugar in an attempt to enhance flavor. While understandable, this approach can work against your health goals. Instead, try this hack. Use acids like lemon juice, vinegars, or pickled ingredients to brighten flavors without adding sodium. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice over fish or vegetables can make the flavors pop. A splash of balsamic vinegar can transform a simple tomato salad. Even a few pickled onions or capers can add a burst of flavor to an otherwise simple dish. I keep a variety of vinegars in my pantry: balsamic, red wine, apple cider, and rice vinegar, and use them regularly to add interest to my meals. Combined with fresh or dried herbs, these acids can make even familiar foods taste new and exciting again. Now let's talk about mindful eating, a practice that becomes even more valuable as we age. Many of us developed eating habits during busier years when meals were rushed, affairs between work and family obligations. But now we have the opportunity to slow down and truly savor our food, which can enhance both nutrition and enjoyment. The hack here is simple but powerful. Engage all your senses during meals. Notice the colors on your plate, inhale the aromas before taking a bite, appreciate the different textures, and take time to truly taste each component of your meal. This mindful approach not only increases satisfaction, but helps your brain register fullness appropriately, which can prevent overeating. I've made it a personal rule to never eat while watching television or scrolling through my phone. Instead, I set my table with actual plates and silverware, even when eating alone, and focus on the experience of the meal. This small ritual has made eating more pleasurable and has helped me recognize when I'm truly satisfied. As we wrap up our discussion on revitalizing your diet, remember that small, consistent changes often lead to the most sustainable results. You don't need to implement every hack we've discussed today all at once. Start with the ones that seem most doable for your lifestyle and preferences. Then gradually incorporate others as they become part of your routine. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Every colorful vegetable, every serving of healthy protein, every well-hydrated day is a step toward better health and more energy. Your body is remarkably responsive, even at this stage of life, and will thank you for these thoughtful adjustments to your eating patterns. I'd love to hear which food hacks you're most excited to try. Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you might have. And if you found this information helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical advice on living vibrantly in your golden years. Until next time, here's to delicious food that loves you back.